Far too many people these days struggle with poor audio quality without even realizing it, but upgrading your USB microphone will upgrade your stream, your podcast, or your Zoom calls in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best USB microphones go beyond simple recording, offering studio-grade clarity and smart features to make you sound like a pro. We have the best options ready and waiting for you, but first of all, make sure to use the links in the description below because they are going to take you to the latest discounts for every single product we talk about today. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, we have the FIFINE USB XLR dynamic microphone, the Ampligame AM8, which is easily the best value for gamers on a budget. If you are looking for natural audio clarity without breaking the bank, this cardioid dynamic microphone delivers a balanced frequency response from 50 Hz to 16 kHz, ensuring your voice sounds natural and rejects unwanted off-axis noise like keyboard clicks or air conditioners. A major highlight here is the hybrid connectivity. You can plug it in via USB for an easy setup with your PC or PS5, but it also features an XLR connection if you decide to upgrade to a professional audio interface later on. For gamers, the soothing controllable RGB ring is a huge win, offering 3 modes and over 10 light colors to match your gaming rig. You also get handy onboard controls including a tap-to-mute button with an LED reminder and a headphone jack for zero latency monitoring. Considering the 18% savings brings it down to just $45, and with over 8,000 bought in the past month, this is a no-brainer for beginner creators. Moving up to number 4, we have a legend in the industry, the Logitech creators Blue Yeti USB microphone. While the FIFINE is great for single-person gaming, the Blue Yeti is the best all-rounder for versatility, thanks to its custom 3-capsule array that produces broadcast-quality sound for YouTube, Twitch, and even Zoom meetings. What sets this microphone apart from the others on this list is the 4 pickup patterns. You can switch from cardioid for solo podcasting to omni for roundtable discussions, or even bidirectional for interviews, and stereo for recording instruments. The onboard audio controls are incredibly user-friendly, giving you direct access to headphone volume, pattern selection, instant mute, and mic gain right on the mic body. You also get Blue VOCE software, which elevates your streaming with enhanced effects and advanced modulation to entertain your audience. It is plug-and-play on Mac and PC, features a positionable design with an adjustable stand, and right now, with a 32% savings bringing it to just $95, it remains a staple for a reason. Coming in at number 3, we have a game-changer for those who hate cables, the MAONO PD200W hybrid wireless podcast microphone. If you want the freedom to move around while you record, this is the ultimate hybrid solution because it supports 3 ways to connect: wireless, USB, and XLR. The wireless feature is a standout, offering a stable connection up to 60 meters away and a massive 60 hours of battery life with the RGB turned off. But it isn't just about mobility. The 30mm dynamic capsule delivers studio-quality vocal reproduction with an ultra-clean 82 decibel signal-to-noise ratio. One of the coolest features for duo podcasters is that you can connect 2 of these wireless desktop mics to a single receiver, recording each mic to its own track for precise editing. You also get advanced noise cancellation to ensure your voice remains rich and focused without a soundproof booth, and the MAONO Link app lets you personalize your sound with EQ and reverb presets. Whether you are recording directly to a camera or streaming from your PC, this microphone gives you limitless creativity. Taking the number 2 spot is the HyperX Quadcast 2 Frost, which is widely considered the best premium USB microphone specifically for streaming and gaming. HyperX has refined the formula here, delivering a stunning visual aesthetic with LED lighting that looks incredible on camera, but more importantly, the audio quality is top tier. This USB microphone features a built-in shock mount that effectively dampens vibrations and bumps, so your viewers won't hear you accidentally hit your desk. It utilizes a condenser capsule with a cardioid polar pattern, which is perfect for picking up your voice clearly while rejecting background noise. The onboard controls are located directly on the bottom of the mic, making it easy to adjust gain, mute yourself with a tap on the top, and monitor your audio through the headphone jack. With a 27% savings bringing the price down to $110, it offers that iconic HyperX reliability that over 500 people bought in the past month. If you want a microphone that looks as professional as it sounds on your live stream, the Quadcast 2 Frost is an easy recommendation. Finally, at number 1, we have the Shure MV88 Plus stereo USB microphone, which is quite simply the best portable and high-fidelity microphone for creators on the go. While the other mics are great for a desktop setup, the Shure MV88 Plus is designed for travel and versatility, coming with a zippered pouch and a swivel mic clip for any standard stand. This is a condenser microphone that excels at capturing vocals and instruments with stunning realism, thanks to the 5 DSP preset modes in the free Shure Plus Motive desktop app. Whether you are singing, recording a loud instrument, or speaking in a meeting, you just select the preset and the EQ, limiter, and compressor adjust automatically. It features real-time headphone monitoring via a 3.5mm jack, so you always know exactly what you sound like, and it comes with both USB-C and USB-A cables to ensure Mac and Windows compatibility. If you want to go mobile, you can even transform it into a video kit for your phone. For $219, you are getting Shure's legendary durability and broadcast-grade stereo sound. If you are a musician, journalist, or streamer who needs to sound amazing from anywhere in the world, this is the ultimate investment.